Hey guys, Pete here from Pete's Big Breaks, cracking up the first baseball of 2021. This will be the last year's version of the Bowman Chrome 2020 mega boxes. We got 6 of them tonight. Should be a fun rip. Hopefully we're finding some Randy Arozarenas, Kyle Lewis's, maybe some Lou Bobs, all kinds of good stuff. Jordan Alvarez. Should be a fun rip. I haven't ripped this stuff, like I said, since probably last September, maybe. Hopefully we all have good luck tonight. Disclosures: the Mojo cards will all be sleeved, oftentimes top loaded. With the right guys, all the rookies will be sleeved at a minimum. Your bigger ones will be top loaded, and most of the time will be top loaded right away. What else we got going on? Cards will go to, I say the jersey, but we'll go to the team logo on this stuff because you'll see some stuff in college uniforms. Hey Riley, no luck today. Actually, I was running around Marquette and I found nada. I spoke to somebody who was in the back. And they said her cards were out. An hour later, the cards were back in a lockbox, so she did not show up yesterday or today. So no, on that note, no luck today. But anyways, we're going to crack this stuff. I'm going to go through a list of who's got what, and we will start ripping. John C. the Braves, John R. the Orioles, Eric S. You got the Red Sox, Anthony C. the White Sox, Sergey C. the Cubs, Jeffrey S. the Reds, Anthony C. the Indians, Shane P. the Rockies, Eric M. the Tigers, Anthony A. the Astros, John K. the Royals, Sergey C. You got the Angels, Anthony C. you got the Dodgers and Marlins, Corey P. the Brewers, Anthony S. the Twins, Mark L. the Yankees, John C. the Mets, Anthony C. the Athletics, Corey P. the Phillies, Anthony A. the Pirates, Corey P. the Padres, Eric S. the Giants, Anthony A. the Mariners, Eric M. the Cardinals, Anthony C. the Rays, Anthony A. the Rangers, Andy V. the Blue Jays, and Anthony A. you got the Nationals. That's who's got what. We'll tear this stuff up and we will have this stuff shipped out to you tomorrow morning. Rip one box at a time. I'll go through and I'll crack all the packs out of the box, and hopefully we'll find some cool colors. Maybe we'll find some cool autographs. You never know what we're going to hit in this product. I do love it. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got a few base packs in here, and then we got the Mojo packs. The Mojo packs will have the colors that are the autographs, whichever we have. There's our dark empty box. There are 2 Mojo packs and our 5 base packs. We'll crack the base packs first. See what we can find. Again, good luck, everybody. Love crack and Bowman Chrome. One of my favorite products to break. Lots and lots of rookies. Box number 1. I'm going to start out with Ryan Reynolds. Rookie card of Nico Horner. It's not a bad one. You can see a lot of the same guys. I believe this is a very short set, so a little bit of a twist to that card. You'll notice that a lot in Chrome. We'll go ahead and rip right through these. Shogo Akiyama, John Means, Logan Allen, another Nico Horner, Happy Comfy, safe in a sleeve. Seems like this box got a whole twist to it, the whole darn thing. Ryan Reynolds, nice rookie of Kyle Lewis. Looks like he's supposed to be coming back soon. But again, like all these cards got a nice little twist to them. Hopefully that straightens out in the top loaders. I like to point out any kind of deficiencies in the cards before you get them. I want you to see them and say, hey man, that card looked really good on camera, and now it looks like trash. So, moving on. Trey Mancini, Dan Vogelbach, Bobby Bradley, Gleyber Torres, Tim Anderson, Jorge Alfaro, a little Tatis. Tatis will get sleeved. I hope all the boxes ain't like this. This is definitely a twisty. Shogo Akiyama, Matthew Boyd, Bryce Harper, Cody Bellinger, Miggy. Just realized my camera was out of focus. Sorry about that. Adbert Alzolay, Alex Bregman, Jose Berrios, Corey Kluber, and Chris Bryant. That was our first box of base. Let's get into these Mojos. One pack will have an autograph or color, and the other one will have like some kind of an insert. Not sure what it was called. And these are all prospects. Luis Campusano, Bayron Lora. That's not a bad one. We'll take a Bayron Lora. Again, they got a little bit of a twist to them. That is a nice card. Laura, one of your top prospects. Happy Comfy. Safe in a sleeve and top loader. Then Texas Rangers. Here's the insert I was talking about. Donna Gore. We got an Ethan Hearn. And a William Contreras. This one will have the color or auto if it's in here. Looks like we got green, maybe. We got Tim Cate, Tony Centillion, Jeremiah Jackson, Tanner Huck, and our green. It's looking like a Baltimore Oriole, numbered 83 out of 99, DL Hall. Green. Pretty card. Gotta love those low numbered guys. Get him here, Happy Comfy. Safe in his top loader. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use the next size up top loader on this one. It's a little big, but I don't really want to squish a card. So, for now, he's just going to go on this big boy. There you go. DL Hall out of 99. And that was box number 1. Not a bad start. Crack up box number 2. Had these boxes sitting around since last year. It's been tough to not crack them myself. There's our empty box. Our 2 Mojo packs. And our 5 base packs. Let's get cracking. The old Bowman Chrome was a very small set. I guess one of the things that I complained about a little bit opening this stuff is you see the same guys over and over again. You probably put a whole set together of base cards in a few boxes. But anyways, got Manny Machado, Blake Snell, Anthony Rendon, Yu Chang, rookie, and Mike Clevenger. These cards don't seem to be as twisted for sure. Next up, we got a rookie card of Dylan Cease, Alex Young, Mike Clevenger, nice Juan Soto. We'll get him in the sleeved pile. Matt Chapman, Nolan Arenado, Mookie Betts, Jacob deGrom, And a nice rookie of Bo Bichette, Mr. 2 home runs the other night. See what kind of year he has. Pretty high on Bo Bichette. One of my guys. Not bad. Happy Comfy. Safe in a sleeve and top loader. Followed up by a nice Randy Arozarena. This guy can continue what he did in the Super Series, the World Series last year. He's going to be a beast. See nothing but good things out of this guy. Really good box so far with the Bichette and an Arozarena. Justin V. Another good rookie, Gavin Lux. Jeez, box is just packed. This might be one of the better boxes I've opened for rookies. Wow. When I said you're going to see the same guys over and over again, I didn't mean you're going to see them 2-3 times in the same box. Gavin Lux. Happy Comfy, Safe in a Sleep and top loader. Followed by, I bet you there's going to be, this is so weird, Bo Bichette again. At least it's really good guys coming back to back. This would be back to back packs. 2 Bo Bichettes. Awesome box. And of course, Bichette's always followed by Arozarena. And again, these are a lot better than that last box were. That's crazy. 2 Bichettes, 2 Arozarenas in the same box. Very nice. We got Yu Chang, Zach Allen, Sean Murphy. Nice rookie of Dustin May, another guy who's going to have a big year. This last year when I was cracking this stuff, I wasn't even sleeving this guy. I know pitchers don't hold a truckload of value, but the guy's playing really good. 2 more cards. Willie Calhoun and Sheldon Neuse. Alright, well, if that luck continues through these Mojo packs, it's going to be really nice. Let's go with this one first. Stubborn pack. Must be something really good wanting to get out, wanting to stay hidden. Looks like there might be an autograph or a white in here. We'll save that one. We got Francisco Alvarez. Nice card. Adonis Medina. Donna Glory. Nick Lodolo. Mason Denneberg. And Estevan Florial. This one's got a twist to it. And let's see what we got in here. Pull the last couple cards off. We got Forrest Whitley. Nolan Jones. Sean Jelly. Shane Baz. What do we got going on here? It's going to be a pitcher. Texas Rangers. Alex Spees. Autograph. First auto out to the Texas Rangers. Get him sleeved up and top loaded. Don't know a ton about Alex Spees yet, but I'm sure I'll learn more this year or next. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleeve and top loader. That was box number 2. That was a really nice box. Let's keep that fire burning. Get right into this one real quick so we don't let the kindle and cool it down. And our empty box. 2 Mojos. 5 base. Let's rip them up. I think that first box we had 2 Nico Horners in. But let's tear them up. Ronald Acuna Jr. He's a sleeved guy. Zach Collins. Justin Dunn. Buster Posey. Corey Kluber. Nico Horner. Not 100% sure why I'm top loading him yet, but I do like the player. Out to them Cubbies. 3rd, Nico Horner. Shogo Akiyama. Yoshi Tsutsugo. Michael Baez. Seth Brown. Zach Allen. Tons of rookies in this box. Sean Murphy. Another Dustin May. Happy Comfy. Safe in his top loader. Moving on. Chris Bryant. Come on, camera. Behave. There we go. John Means. Evan Longoria. Austin Meadows. Big scratch right down the middle. Anthony Rizzo. Steven Strasburg. Garrett Cole. Matthew Boyd. Eddie Rosario. Ison Diaz. Rookie card. Kittle Marte. And Tim Anderson. Let's get these Mojo going. Alright, this one does not have the color or auto. Ryan Castellani. Steele Walker. Donna Glory. File. Corbin Carroll. And Corey Lee. There's definitely heavy left on that one. Let's see what we got in here. No color. Unusual. We got Christian Pache, though. He's good. He's one of your guys going to get top loaded. One of your top prospects. Up to that Atlanta Braves team. Happy Comfy. Safe in his top loader. We got Shane McCarthy. Keibert Ruiz. Dalton Jeffries. And Trevor Lawrence. I have to move these sleeved, I should say later to be sleeved guys, out of the way. Give us some room for box number 3. Here we go. Would have liked a little color in that one, but you can't get color out of every box. There's our empty. There's our Mojos. There's our base. No Lubob, no Jordan Alvarez yet. I think they were in this stuff. I could have swore they were. It's tough to remember after your taken a year off from this stuff. There's always correlations I can remember, but I don't recall what they are at this second. We'll get back into it. I think I got one more break's worth of this stuff, and then it will be all gone. Here we go. Rookie card, Dylan Cease, Alex Young, Joey Votto, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Paul Goldschmidt, Xander Bogaerts, Justin V, Gavin Lux. I think we saw this kind of correlation a little bit ago. There was the Gavin Lux, and then we had the pack with the Eros Arena and the Bo Bichette twice. We'll see if that holds true for this box. Gavin Lux, happy, comfy, safe in his top loader. Jorge Alfaro. Tatis, we'll get him sleeved up. Alex Bregman. Jose Barrios. Anthony K. Aristides Aquino. First Aquino we've seen. There he is. All safe. Followed by Kyle Lewis. And we talked about him. Should be coming back soon, hopefully. I've heard he's been doing workouts, making some baseball moves. The Rookie of the Year. Happy, comfy, safe in his top loader. And we got a rookie card of Jesus Luzardo. Adbert Alzolay, Paul Goldschmidt, Mike Trout, Mauricio Dubon, Eddie Rosario, Rhys Hoskins, Aaron Judge, Kittle Marte, and Tim Anderson. Still no Lou Bob. Mojos. Or all the way apart. No color, no auto on this one. We got Tristan Casas, Bo Naylor, Ison Diaz, Dawn of Glory, Vidal Brujan, and Alejandro Kirk. Big boy to the Blue Jays. Haven't seen any Jason yet. Love to see a Jason out of here. Got an autograph in here by the looks of it. First off, we got Corey Ray. Come on, camera. Might be time for a new camera. Corey Ray. And Jeter Downs. Jackson Cower. Tristan Lutz. And Detroit Tiger. Riley Green. Kind of a crazy autograph there. Riley Green. It is not numbered, but he is a position player, outfielder, and we will never complain about that. Happy, comfy, safe in his top loader. 2 boxes left. I want to see something weird. I want to see like a red or something really short printed. Last year I pulled one red. Can't remember who it was because it was last year. There's our empty box. Our Mojos and our base. Harry Millen's liking that Tigers auto. I do not know much about him, Eric. remember some years ago, back in, I don't know, 2014, I was buying into breaks, and I was absolutely in love with the 2014 Bowman Chrome Jumbos. I could not get enough of them. Well, we got Jose Barrios, Brian Reynolds, Nico Horner. Been top loading him. I'm just going to set him aside for now because time saving. O'Hanty, Eduardo Escobar, Alex Bregman, Jose Barrios, rookie card Jordan Yamamoto, Tony Gonsolin, Brendan McKay, another Jesus Luzardo, Adbert Elsley, Francisco Lindor, JD Martinez, Freddie Freeman, rookie card of Trent Grisham, rookie of Aaron Savali, Adrian Morjan, Anthony Kay, and Aquino. I think there's a Kyle Lewis sitting behind him usually, and there's not. Wow, surprised. Usually that correlation holds true almost every time. Happy Comfy safe in his top loader. No Kyle Lewis, followed by Blake Snell, Anthony Rendon, Whit Merrifield, Mike Trout, and Mauricio Dubon. 5th overall. Okay, it's good to know. Like I said, it's some of these prospects I don't know yet, and I'm sure we'll learn more about them throughout the course of the season. Hopefully he's a monster. Said any position player. Would love to see it, Jason. Me too. Dylan Carlson, though. That's nice. It's a bigger name. It is a little bit twisty. But that's one of your guys you're looking for if you are a St. Louis Cardinal buyer. And I think the Cardinals were fairly cheap. But Carlson, a lot of interest in his cards I've seen this year. Happy Comfy safe in his top loader. Luis Garcia. Donna Glory Paredes. Trevor Lawrence. And Dalton Jeffries. Looking for that Jason Mojo. Eric having a nice break. Yeah, heck yeah, man. That Dylan Carlson's a nice card. I see, looks like orange in here. A little bit of orange action. We got Quinn Priester. Julio Rodriguez. You probably definitely got your $10 out of that Mojo Carlson. Julio Rodriguez. Sam Huff. Freudis Nova. Let's see what we got here. This orangey. Another Tiger. It's going to be Isaac Paredes out of 25. Another position player. Number 5 of 25. Isaac Paredes. Tigers having a break. Very nice orange. Isaac Paredes. Love that low numbered stuff. You think you did good for the Tigers as well. Again, this is another name I'm unsure of. No doubt. Dylan Carlson, Paredes orange. Yeah, I'll take that break all day, every day, twice on Sundays. Happy Comfy. Safe in his top loader. Every once in a while, a guy hits a box, for sure. Last box of the break. Still waiting for that Jason Dominguez. Honestly, I don't know if I've pulled any Jason. I broke a ton of this stuff. And this stuff all came out of the same case. And I don't believe I saw any Dominguez. I may have hit one regular Mojo, but like I said, I got 6 boxes left, and I've not pulled anything Jason huge yet. I like it when a guy can get into a break for cheap and still hit some really nice cards. It's tough when you pay up for those teams and you don't hit. It's just so frustrating. On the other hand, we pay up to hit something monstrous, don't we? That's what I used to do. Buy the big teams and you hope for a hit. Hyunjin, who are you? Rookie Nick Solak. Rookie Nick Gonsolin. Rookie Brennan McKay. Rookie Bruce Tarr. Guerrero. Nico Horner. Akiyama. Is there another Randy Arozarena? I think that's our 3rd Randy. Very pretty card. I do like this card a lot. I've got a couple in my PC. Happy Comfy. Safe in his top loader. We got Yu Chang. And too many of those don't hit anything. It's tough, man. Especially those huge cards are so hard to hit. That's why they're valuable. Mike Clevenger. Alex Young. Joey Votto. But the thing is, all it takes is one. Shohei Ohtani. Eduardo Escobar. Eugenio Suarez. Aaron Judge. Xander Bogaerts. Justin V. Isan Diaz, rookie. Ketel Marte. Gavin Lux, rookie. Gotta say, of all the products, all the baseball I opened last year, I loved the Topps Chrome the best. That was my favorite rip. And again, I had a bunch of it, and I got through all of it, and I was kind of really bummed after I got rid of it. Charlotte Hornets, $1,000. I'm curious, Eric, was that a Prism break? Because it shouldn't be any kind of Donruss or anything like hoops. That's insane. Dylan Cease. Brewstar. Guerrero. I had to have been a Prism break. I'm guessing that must have been a... Finally, we got a Lewis Robert. That had to have been a Prism, maybe random. For possibly a hobby box. That's my only guess why somebody would pay $1,000 for the Hornets. Little Lubob for my wonderful little White Sox. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I can't justify paying $1,000. I mean, realistically, if you're doing a box, I don't know how many boxes it was, but if you're doing one box, best you can really hope for is one. I mean, yeah, you hope for the huge ones, but the silvers. But I guess, I mean, even the base LaMelo's going for $350, $400. Random team 3-box. Yeah, I would have liked to get more out of that for sure. But actually, $200 is a pretty good value for that random. Bryce Trang. I haven't gotten. Well, actually, I shouldn't say that. I found 4 hanger boxes of Prism basketball so far. I'm trying to put a break together. It's taken a little bit of time because Prism's near impossible to get a hold of. Matthew Liberatore. Donna Gloria Rushman. Corey Ray. And Jeter Downs. No doubt. Alright guys, this is our last pack. Hopefully we hit something huge in our last pack of the last box. We do have an autograph, I believe. I say that. Tristan McKenzie. Who's our autograph going to be? Our last autograph of the night. Tyler Stevenson. Jackson Rutledge. Dalton Varsho. And our autograph is going to be, is that a Cubs? Going to be a Cleveland Indians. Daniel Espino. Pitcher for the Cleveland Indians. Looking at his stats, generally not a bad pitcher. 3.8 ERA. We'll see what he does in the majors. But there's Daniel Espino. And that is our last card of the break. I'll go through a rundown of our top loaded cards. Sorry I couldn't have pulled a Jason for you there, Eric. Those are definitely difficult pulls. Alright, here's our top loader stack. It is a pretty neat signature all the way across the card. Definitely would get a 10 on the auto. With the Daniel Espino auto. Lou Bob, base rookie. Gavin Lux, rookie. Eros Reyna, rookie. We got the Isaac Paredes, number 5 out of 25, orange. The Dylan Carlson. Aquino. We got a Riley Green, autograph to the Tigers. Kyle Lewis. Aquino. Another Gavin Lux. Christian Pache, Mojo, I love that card. Dustin May. And Nico Horner, we got a few of these I haven't sleeved up or top loaded yet. Alex Spees, autograph to the Texas Rangers. Another Dustin May. Another Randy Arozarena. We got a Bo Bichette. Another Gavin Lux. Another Randy Arozarena. Another Bo Bichette. Got a green DL Hall to the Baltimore Orioles out of 99. And a Bayron Laura Mojo to the Texas Rangers. That will do it for this break, ladies and gentlemen. I won't be breaking again until next week. I think, what am I doing? Next Thursday, I believe I'll be doing some Donruss basketball. And Friday, I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet. Hopefully I can get a Prism break together by then. If you guys are bored, want to watch some breaks, go ahead and follow my Facebook page. I will announce as best I can what I'm breaking and when. Like I said, next week will be Donruss basketball for sure on Thursday. We're not sure what we're doing Friday yet. Appreciate y'all hanging out with me tonight. Hope y'all had fun. Enjoyed pulling some nice cards. I wouldn't be able to do this stuff without y'all. On that note, I hope y'all stay happy, comfy, safe in your beds this evening. Good night and good luck, everybody.